Hey everyone, welcome back to Wheel Wonderland. Today we're unboxing a Hot Wheels team transport set with two British legends. The 2023 Land Rover Defender Wonderland and the Jaguar MK1. Plus, a matching trailer. The Defender stands for rugged strength from off-road trails to military missions. The Jaguar MK1, a 1950s gentleman's racer, blends speed and style in classic racing green. This set captures both in stunning 1/64 scale. If you love Hot Wheels, British cars, or detailed die-casts, stick around. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps Wheel Wonderland keep rolling.
Let's take a closer look at the 2023 Land Rover Defender 110. This model really makes a statement. The two-tone paint, white on top and deep green underneath, gives it that perfect mix of rugged and refined. It rides high on chunky off-road wheels, and that classic squared-off silhouette is instantly recognizable. Up top, the roof lights add that adventurous touch, like it's ready to lead the way through the night. And the bold front grille? It's got that go-anywhere attitude. Like it's not afraid of mud, rocks, or anything in between. This isn't just a toy. It's a little symbol of adventure, reliable, tough, and full of character. Now, let's take a look at the Jaguar MK1. This one's got real vintage charm. That deep British racing green paint, the chrome detailing, and the number 386 on the side, it all screams classic motorsport. You can almost picture it tearing through a racetrack in the 1950s, smooth and stylish, but with serious power under the hood. The proportions are spot on too. The low stance, the wide wheel arches, and that elegant curved roofline. It's a proper gentleman's racer. Fast, refined, and built to impress. Even in 1/64 scale, this little Jaguar captures the spirit of a golden era in racing. And here's the trailer that ties it all together. It's simple, solid, and built to do the job. Just like a real racing hauler. With its clean black design and detailed ramps, it looks ready to carry the Jaguar to its next vintage race. Nothing flashy here, just pure function that completes the team. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. What's your favorite team transport set so far? And now let's just enjoy the close-up shots of this beautiful combo. No more talking, just pure die-cast detail.